So first off, we're gonna start by installing the new library called Discord py/command. I can install that using pip3 install Discord py/command. I have already installed this, so it's gonna say I'm satisfied. Or you can do pip3 install myself. That's how you do in main hosting services. Requirements.txt. There it goes. Everything is done. Clear, and you can open the /command.py, and that's the first session. It's going to be /command.py. Since I host on Heroku, there's going to be a separate dyno, separate application sometimes, and employee worker python /command.py. We are not going to be using the main.py, okay? It just exists. Anyways, yep, once we are done with the requirements.txt, never mind. Put this somewhere. Yikes, let it exist. Okay. Clear. Yep, we will install Discord py/command. And yeah, back to /command.py. First, we can import Discord, and then from the Discord flash, which is the library we installed, we're gonna import /commands. After that, wait, I surely need to disable linting. Yep, okay. Use client, Discord client. I assume you already know how to create a client. If you have a custom one, it's fine. Create a /. So /command, we're gonna give it the client, and the sync commands to true. It's just a random property, was in the documentation. Give guild IDs. So why am I doing this? Is because it might take a few hours for Discord to recognize your bot that your bot has this sync command stuff, or that /command stuff, and that's not perfect for debugging. So because I'm using a private bot, I'll just temporarily give it some guild IDs. If you're running a public bot, maybe give this debug IDs to debug your stuff, and then you can remove this a few hours later. Anyways, alright. Next, we can create a client event. Call it async step on ready, and I'll print /are is ready, just for us to know that the /commands are ready. We'll be creating only one simple command called avatar. Okay. The avatar command, which I'll be creating by doing @/.flash. The name is my PFP, the description is displays your PFP, and then the guild IDs, just cause we can. Anyways, I'll do async def PFP. This is how you do commands. We're not going to give it self because it's not in a class. And then I'll create an embed. So embed discord.embed. So create your embed as usual. Give it a title. But instead of ctx.message, we are going to do ctx.author. You can do this simply by searching for ctx.message and then replacing it with ctx in the search name. Thankfully, I only have all this in main.py, which doesn't use /commands. You can just copy paste all this and change those stuff and remove all the self. It's gonna take a while, but it's worth it. Color to discord.color.teal. Setting image is the same. We're not going to use message. Other properties and functions are going to be the same, except ctx.message will not exist. Await ctx.send. We're not going to do ctx.message.send. So ctx.channel.send, because it will say interaction failed, and it will send a message. It will, work. It does the job, but that's not how it's supposed to work. It has to reply to the command. Okay. ctx.send, we do send the embed. Yep, that's it. After that, we can run the client with your bot's token. You can do as many /commands as you want by copy pasting them. Yep. Alright, after that, you can run your /command. Put this semicolon if you want. Anyways, yep, that has been it for this video. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe.